A civil authority has issued fire warning for the following counties or areas. Ray, Colorado. At 4:40 p.m. on June 30, 2026 effective until 8:40 p.m. Ray County Sheriff, Gold MTN fire evacuation order in effect for the area east of US 550 north of County Road, CR 8 and south of CR 8A east to the US forest boundary south to CR 8B along Cow Creek. Anyone in this area should evacuate immediately due to rapid fire growth. Do not delay. Evacuation map available at raycountyco.gov or call 970-626-5484. The Ray County Sheriff's Office is issuing a mandatory evacuation order for the area east of US 550 north of CR 8 and south of CR 8A east to the US Forest Service boundary and south to CR 8 along Cow Creek. Anyone in this area should evacuate now. Do not delay. There is a rapidly growing wildfire in the area. You are in danger. View the evacuation map for zones in evacuation order at raycountyco.gov or call 970-626-5484. A civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Gunnison, Hinsdale, Ray, Colorado. At 4:42 p.m. on June 30, 2026 effective until 8:42 p.m. From the Gemug Forest Supervisor. Due to a fast-moving wildfire, evacuate the Forest Service lands in the Cow Creek, Big Cimarron, Silverjack Basin areas. Lands to the east of Highway 550, south of Highway 50, and west of East Fork of the Cimarron are closed. Leave now. From the Gemug Forest Supervisor. Due to a fast-moving wildfire, evacuate the Forest Service lands in the Cow Creek, Big Cimarron, Silverjack Basin areas. Lands to the east of Highway 550, south of Highway 50, and west of East Fork of the Cimarron are closed. Leave now.